let's get down to business and learn how to effortlessly remove backgrounds from your videos using CapCut on your PC. No frills, just practical steps to give your footage a professional touch. Step 1. Fire up CapCut on your PC. Import your video footage by hitting the Import button. Choose your video and click Open to bring it into the editor. Now, drag and drop that clip onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Click on your video clip on the timeline to select it. Over in the top right corner, ensure you've got the Video tab selected. Now, hit up the Cutout option. If you've got a green screen in the background, work your magic with Chroma key. For the rest of us, like me, it's auto cutout time. Watch that background vanish like magic. Step 3. Now, let's spice things up with a new background. Head to the Basic menu and scroll until you stumble upon the Canvas option. Click on None and take your pick between blur, color, or style. I'm vibing with style today. Explore the plethora of background options. You can even toss in your own image or video. Feeling adventurous? Add a moving background by placing the video on the upper timeline. Click the library, snag that background, and drop it below your video clip. Adjust the background by grabbing its corners and making it your own. Now hit play to preview your masterpiece. And there you have it. Background gone, new one in place. You're the maestro of CapCut on your PC. Mix it up with different backgrounds to elevate your video editing game. Thanks for tuning in.